Welcome back to my channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be testing some new brow products. We're going to be reviewing some new brow products. If you're interested, you can stay tuned. I'm so proud of them, so I'm going to be definitely sharing these products right away. So if you're interested, stay tuned and let's get started. I am doing this routine for Selena Gomez makeup look, recreating Selena Gomez makeup look, but I wanted to stop and just, dive into some new products that I ordered, and I'm so excited to be reviewing them. So what do I have? I have my MUA Makeup Academy Brow Pencil. I haven't tried this one yet. I hope that's going to be really cool. If I need, I'm going to be going to Catrice Brow Comp Pro Micro Pen. I have this new gel. This is fixing gel for my brows, and this is from Smart Fix Eyebrow Gel Fixer. If you can find it, another option is probably go to Sephora Brow Gel. I have this really cool NYX product. This is Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. Yeah, micro brush tip, soft brown. Okay, let me unpack each of this product and try to create something decent over my brows. Let me tell you that I really love the spoolie. It's so cool. I'm gonna get started with brushing up my brows. And the color is light brown. Ooh, we are soft. The formula is soft, actually. I'm not mad because I don't really like when it's stiff and it's really hard to use the product. I can't tell you for sure if it has any orange pigment, but it feels like it does have a little bit. So I'm gonna fill in the brow. Yeah, it's definitely with some orange undertone, I guess. In case of emergency, I have another brow product from Essence. This is Essence Soft Blonde. So another product. This is a little bit ashy. I guess the color is a little bit more ashy. Yeah. MUA Makeup Academy is not really bad. Actually, Essence product is really good. Look at that. It's less orange. That is the main reason why I would probably go to Essence. Next product that is Smart Fix Eyebrow Gel Fixer. The color is 102 Blonde. I really love the color, and oh, it's runny. It's not like a gel, it's basically watery. The color is more like Essence instead of more Makeup Academy. And it's taken off my brow pencil. Usually my brow gels, they're like gels, not like water. That's why they're not taking off my pencils. Fill in some blanks. I'm not sure if I'm a huge fan of liquid brow products. As for now, I love this side a little bit more than that one. We can try to fix it. I have another new product. This is NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Pen. This is soft brown. The tip is really thin. I love it. I'm gonna get started with this side. Wow, I hated this side. This is such an awful brow. I might actually go to Catrice Micro Precise Medium Brown 030 shade. This is some sort of comb parts where I can add extra. This is so crazy. I mean, I bought the product about, I don't know, like 2 weeks ago, and look at that. It's dry. So this is definitely not a product that I'm going to recommend, Catrice Cosmetics. For my left side, I really love it. It's so structured. It's so beautiful. The color is perfect with my hair color. It's perfect. For my right brow, I would need to take it off and probably go to Essence pencil and then go to some other products and try out this routine. a little bit differently. Okay guys, I'm gonna complete the rest of the look for my Selena Gomez video, and I'll be back to conclude my thoughts about all this product. Guys, I'm finally back to tell you something about this brow routine product that I shared a couple of seconds ago. So let me tell you this. I am not a huge fan of this Brow Define MUA Makeup Academy pencil because it turned out to be really orange for my brows. But let me tell you that when I applied this pencil over my lids as a lid pencil, the color was completely different. For my lid, it wasn't that orange. It was almost the same as the shade that you can see on camera. This brow pencil is soft, but it's kind of waxy and it's not moving really fast. So it's really perfect for your lid, like for your base, for your lid base. Then as for Essence eyebrow pencil, I'm gonna tell you that this is probably like my favorite product. I guess this is going to be my go-to for sure because I'm gonna be using this product. This is my perfect match, my perfect shade, and look at that, like no discoloration. Then I'm gonna talk a little bit about this Catrice microblade. I bought this product like 2, maybe 3 weeks ago, and I wasn't showing this on camera, and I used this a couple of times. Maybe like I've been using this for a week, probably like a week, and it's completely dry, which is crazy, guys. I'm pressing, but you know, look at that. It doesn't give a lot of product, and I'm actually scratching my hand. Then I have this new gel fixer. This is Smart Fix Eyebrow Gel Fixer, and the color is 102 Blonde. Again, if this is blonde, then I'm probably blonde, but I'm not blonde. Or am I? That's crazy. The final product, the final one, but I love it so much. This is from NYX Professional Makeup Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pan. This is crazy how good this product is. It has really tiny tip, guys. It's tiny. And look at that. Oh, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this small review, brow products review, and I guess I'm going to see you in one of my next videos, guys. Bye bye.